Several days ago I was doing some electrical projects here at the house, and I had turned off the mains to change some circuit breakers. During that time I was using this flashlight to illuminate the breaker panel, which had not been sprayed by a skunk. And go figure, the bulb in the flashlight burns out in the middle of the project, leaving me in the dark with no electricity. Or at least I think that that's what happened. So I've been told that there is supposed to be a spare bulb located inside here under the spring in that foam. So it's a little bit late now, but let's see if that is the case, because I would still like to be able to use this flashlight. Now, is this supposed to pop out of there? Okay. Well, it does look like there's a bulb in there. And there it is. It has the number 5 on it. I don't know if this is one of those bulbs that you're not supposed to touch. I'll have to wipe it off before we use the flashlight. And I'll have to order some more. Alright, so here's the old bulb. And it's certainly blackened, but it doesn't really look like it's burnt out to me. The filament doesn't look broken. See if we can magnify it using the camera. I don't know, that filament doesn't look burnt out to me. Well, I guess we'll put in the new bulb and see if it works. If it doesn't work, then there's some other weird problem going on here. I don't know how many hours these are supposed to last. I don't feel like it ran for all that many hours. I do use the flashlight quite a bit, but I don't know. Would have expected it to last a little bit longer. I assume this is not polarity sensitive. It's definitely easy enough to change. It just sticks right in there. I'll just wipe this off with the shirt. Alright, let's put the batteries back in. And let's see if it works. I'll put this back in here just so it doesn't get lost. I'll have to order some more bulbs. That's kind of a clever way to set this up. Okay, it is the working, so the bulb, it definitely seems like the bulb just spoiled. Yeah, the bulb is definitely spoiled. Well, I'm going to have to order a bunch of these bulbs, and I think I'm going to keep multiple spares inside the flashlight. I really don't feel like that lasted all that long. I mean, I do use this flashlight a lot. I use this when I go walking at night. I use it around the house sometimes. It does get jostled around quite a bit, and that does reduce the lifespan of an incandescent bulb for sure. Alright, well, it's working. If that's the lifespan of the bulbs, then that's the lifespan of the bulbs. Alright, the flashlight is back in business. Now we'll have to go on the computer and see if we can order some replacement bulbs. Alright, here we are at the computer. I have navigated to the Maglite website, and it wants to collect my information, and it wants to put cookies on my computer, but I'm going to reject them because I'm not hungry. And let's see if we can find some bulbs. Lamp bulbs. So this is for I have the 5-cell light. Here it is. 5-cell light. Wow, it's $4? That's a little goofy. That looks like it, but the thing is, this is coming with it's coming with a retrofit for, I guess, for older units. But I don't need that, and I don't want to pay for that if I don't need that. So can we get one that doesn't have? Can we get one that doesn't have that? I just want, something like this. Oh, I guess that's the 2-cell, 3-cell. That's kind of pricey. $4 for a stinking little flashlight bulb. We're gonna need that 10% off. I wonder if they still make this flashlight. I think this is it. This is the one that I have. I was deciding between the 5 and the 6. I thought the 6 would just be a little bit too long, so I went with the 5. And 5 is pretty bright. You can see pretty far outside with this thing. But I think after handling the 5, I think I would have been fine with the 6. It's not that big. Is there a big difference? This is 151 lumens, and this other one is 178. That is shine 312 meters versus 338 meters. Not a big difference, but alright, well, I guess this is going to be a kind of expensive thing to replace. I do like that it was easy to find, though. This was very simple. Let's see if we can get this from somewhere else in like a bulk package. It'd be nice to buy a box of 5 or something. That's $4.20 there. It's $25 on eBay for a 3-pack. 25 divided by 3 is not 4. That site is such a joke. Prices are just absolutely off the charts on that stupid site. Well, looks like it's not any cheaper anywhere else. Alright, well, I'll order 2 of them, I suppose. Kind of a lot of money for a stinking flashlight bulb, but I like the non-DEL flashlight. It's the only one I can film video with. I can't film video with an LED flashlight because it gets all flickery on the camera. So, alright, well, I'm going to order some more $1 million bulbs from my flashlight now.